Buying stuff is fun, but keeping track of all that stuff you buy, that's no fun, that's boring. So I'm going to show you a flow in Activepieces where you can upload any receipt and it automatically gets categorized and logged to a Google Sheet. Here's how it works. It all starts with this web form trigger. So basically, Activepieces lets you build your own custom web form very easily, and then whenever anybody submits the form, it triggers the flow, and then cool stuff happens. Here's what the form looks like. You just put your name, upload a receipt. Here I've uploaded a receipt for a DJI drone that I should not have bought. When we click submit, the flow triggers, and your expense shows up in the sheet. Categorized, organized, and automatized. Taking a closer look at the flow here, to create the form, we just added this name field and this invoice receipt field. Then we use ChatGPT to look at the receipt and use Optical Character Recognition to read out the store name, the items, and the total. Then we pass the items from step 2 to categorize the expense. We got a list of categories here: electronics, food, personal care, travel. You can make these whatever you want. Then when that's all done, we just add an insert row step. We fill in these fields, pass the data to each one here, and it shows up in your sheet. To use this flow yourself, just use the template in the video description, connect your Google Sheets account, and then create a sheet with these columns, and then just pass the data like it is here in this here video. And that's it. No more manual expense tracking, even though data entry builds character. Thanks, folks. I'm Jordan. See you later.